make the pocket, I already explained to you. You just take 1/4 inch margin. You start with the pocket mark. And same stitch another part. It's very important when you stitch the both part, you check both stitching is equal. If one stitching is up and one stitching is down, your pocket is not coming equally. And after stitching, you should check the both side is equal. That's good. That's good. And cut. First, you have to cut center line and stop 1/2 inch above. Same. And now you see this part, you can take it like this and cut little bit above. You can set with the iron and take 1/2 inch room and just equally fold. When you fold equally, you just flip this part. Okay. This area is just stitch, your pocket is hold, your bone is hold. And now you can put inside and this part also inside. And now after that you can lock the pocket notches. You see, now you can stitch the another side. one stitching is done. Now I am going to attach the pocket bag. This is the pocket bag. This is the pocket bag. Pattern is also available in the pattern file. Attach like this, and this part you attach this bone part. After stitching, the pocket bag stitching is done. Now I close the pocket bag. Pocket bag is bigger. You can cut like this, or you can cut like this. Okay, and this is little bit is coming, so you can stitch one more stitch and cut it. It's not coming. Your pocket is done. I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.